Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I know you may be thinking, where are you, Tatenda? Where have you been? What are you doing? I've had a few messages from people asking me this. Guys, I'm currently in Zimbabwe. I'm here with my family on a family vacation, just seeing family, friends, catching up, you know, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, internet airtime is a bit low for me at the moment, so I'll do the best that I can to upload and to share content on the next few weeks, 4 weeks, but yeah, you may not be seeing me as much in the content, but you may be seeing what I'm doing, where I'm going and things like that. So this video is going to be sort of like that, just a little quick update recap on what I'm doing or where I'm going, and the proper content will be coming up in January. So once I'm back, I also have some other content that I'll be doing while I'm here, but I won't be able to edit and film it. I won't be able to edit it until I get home, because I did leave my laptop at home just because I didn't want anything to happen to it. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below if you like the video. You can also catch me on my Instagram if you want to chat a little bit more personal, or if you want to a little bit more of an update on what's going on. I'll be posting on my social media on Instagram and on Facebook. So I'll see you guys in the next video to come. I love you guys so much.
Tora nyama timbo gocha